This morning I will make multiple copies of pieces and let Blender or Blendercam pack the items on the sheet. So I highlight, select a piece and press Control D to duplicate. Oh, Shift D to duplicate. Shift D. And I do the same with this. Right click to select and Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. So if I make four of these, I need to make 8 corners. Excuse me. Alright, so if only there was a way to make all these things nice and neat on a sheet to pack them, to take the least amount of space, or at least organize them to fit neatly. So press A and A again to select everything. And here you can set the Y size, the X size, let's say 4 meters, and the Y will say unlimited. Minimum distance 1 centimeter. I want to leave a trace between the different cuts. Otherwise, you could go as small as the bit size. And I will not enable rotation. It takes a very long time to do so, but I will press pack on curve. So here it placed the items, packed them sort of neatly on the sheet. Probably making copies would have been as efficient. I'm not sure. But if you have like odd shapes, certainly one way to go. The easiest for me, the most efficient, would have been to put all the straight edges together. Now we can enable rotation and try this, but it's going to take a little while longer. So it's really not practical for a very, very large amount of pieces to do the rotation. Probably it's like a traveling salesman problem with factorial complexity to it. Oh, of course, it placed the other one right there, so I need to remove the old one. There we go. Try select again and pack again. So that's a mistake that I made by not erasing the original one. So it's really annoying to watch the paint dry at this point. You can get a coffee if you want, and I'll shout when it's ready. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. So enabling rotation, I'm really not sure if it helped to do a more efficient packing. However, if you don't know how to place your parts, and sometimes you wouldn't, then this is a viable option. So I hope this helps. Um, Please subscribe if you like this. I'm going to make a few more Blendercam recordings to help people out with the basic functions. Of course, if you don't use these, you don't really know how they work. So please subscribe and have a great day.